So, summary of this year, which has been quite busy: Ibiza, IMS, Creamfields Festival on the BBC Introducing Stage, Secret Garden Party on the radio, Blissfields Festival, Pirate Live Studios, the Big Daddy Amsterdam Dance Event. I would say IMS Ibiza was really useful. It was the first gig I've ever done in Ibiza and the first time I've ever been to Ibiza. It was the second live stream I did and the first live set I did. Yeah, I think it's necessary to throw yourself in like the deep end. So I think it's helped me with my live performance because I've never done a live set before the Accelerator Programme. Just from doing it live has definitely helped my producing as well.
So I want you to give it up for Gabby Gunn. We'll have a little chat at the end, but I think let's just get into it.
The AD experience, I was on the same day as Gorgon City, Kink, 69 beats. Yeah, it felt great to be on the lineup with such a high calibre of artists, for sure. It was definitely my favourite, it's my favourite gig of my life. So I think the Accelerator Programme has been useful for making connections, one of them being Pioneer. It's helping me keep access to the latest new tech, as well as just having friends in the industry is nice because I feel like they're all nice guys down there. In ADE, some of the people I spoke to, like from management companies, a couple of people from a DJ tutor company, which is cool. I met a guy from an agency as well. It's just nice to meet these people and get talking. You never know who's going to lead you to your next step. These high-profile gigs I've had from the Accelerator Programme, I think have helped in terms of other people approach me, as well as the gigs being high-profile at the live streams and it being shared by Point Blank and Pioneer, have really helped broaden my reach and get noticed by more people. I've definitely come like a long way. Like my Facebook page has definitely grown. My followers are more active now, so that has given me more confidence. I think now is just keeping the momentum going. My advice on the application. Yeah, a detailed application of what you've done so far and that you're passionate about what you're doing. Be you, what you want to get from the programme, and possibly why they'd want to pick you.